Hello Windows Universe! In this video we will look at steps you can take if Windows 10 closes all the apps when going to standby or sleep mode. For a more in-depth look at the topic, we will link an article in the description down below. Start by running the Power Troubleshooter. In the task search, open Troubleshooter. Click on Additional Troubleshooter or Power and run the troubleshooter. Follow any on-screen prompts. Then restart your computer when it's done. See if the problem has been resolved. Then you should consider running the SFC and DISM. You can run each through the command prompt. Open a command prompt. Type in SFC /scan now and hit enter. This scan might take a few minutes. Once that is finished, type in DISM /online /cleanup, one word, -image /restore health, hit enter. Depending on the level of corruption, this might take 15 minutes or more. After that's done, type in exit, hit enter, restart your system, and see if the problem sticks then. Finally, we can change the hibernation settings. Open the control. Go to Hardware and Sound, Power Options. Go to whatever current plan setting you have and click Change Plan Settings. Then click on Changed Advanced Power Settings. Click the plus next to Sleep. And for Allow Hybrid Settings, click on it and set Allow Hybrid Sleep for On Battery. If you are on a laptop, then make sure you have clicked on the Plugged In option as well. Go to Hibernate After, set it to Never on both the battery and the plugged in option if you're on a laptop. Click Apply, then click OK. Restart your computer and check to see if the issue has been resolved. If the problem still persists, then I would recommend that you look at rolling back any recently installed devices or updates. For more articles on how to maximize your Windows experience, go to our website, thewindowsclub.com. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We are always uploading new content aimed at making your digital universe just a little bit easier. Thanks for watching and have a great day.